Just come out for a bit of a day out with the family on Nat's birthday. This is at the Amiens Legacy Centre, where they've got a little restored tram, which one of the princes, Prince Edward I think it was, actually rode in when he visited Australia in 1920.
Yeah.
So Prince Edward of Wales. So it's closed today, it's only open on Sundays, but still thought we'd pop in and have a bit of a look. So they restored it back to new and made a bit of a museum. A little area over there where they got a display of the tin mining that used to happen in the area. So over here there's a little rock carving, which is just depicting a little bit of a memorial for the early settlers. So a lot of the initial settlers here were soldiers after the war. So they resettled here and claimed lands in the area and were allocated farms. So there was originally 500 early soldiers. What are you doing, Sophie?
Net.
Do you want to use the camera?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
You gonna help me?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? What do you want to say?
Yeah.
Hey Lex. You having fun? That's good. What's your favourite part here?
Seeing all the pictures.
All the pictures, yeah. It's nice, isn't it?
Even all the, like, the army stuff.
The army stuff is cool too, isn't it?
Stuff in the garden.
Where are we, girls?
We're at the Christmas tree farm.
Woohoo! It's a reindeer.
Yeah. I see it now.
You see him now?
Okay. That's even now.
Yeah. Walking down the rows of Christmas trees, some of this year's harvest. Already trimmed and ready to go. You can walk down, you can get a picnic basket at the mistletoe store and come and have a little Christmas tree picnic. It's about a 15-minute walk from the information centre at Stanthorpe. We've got the Red Bridge, which was built in the mid-1880s. Girls are enjoying the nice walk. As you can see, there's a bit of a boardwalk over the river. It continues on. It's a nice walk. Kids have run off on a little side track following the river here. Another vantage point of the bridge. Little thermometer in Stanthorpe near the information centre. It's currently 11 degrees at 4 o'clock. Should be nice and chilly tonight. It's the path that we walked on to get to the bridge. Just across the river there. So, campsite. Gonna get a really nice sunset today over the dam. Hopefully a lot of those colours are coming out for you guys. Quite a backdrop for the girls riding their bikes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mummy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Hooray!
Coming. No, Hi. Super say cows move so oh now. We say. Hi. Let's turn Daddy and Comet there. Meow, meow.
Are you a cat?
Yeah. I see.
Meow meow.
Meow, meow.
Was that fun on the bike?
Yeah. Oh, duck.
Is there a duck?
Yeah. So it's fun. I did it.
You did it.
Duck is.
What noise did the cheep cheep make?
Let's say.
What did the cheep cheep say?
Chichi says.